governor gave out yesterday, they called the emergency unit. So the Bayelsa State Emergency Medical Services came on the orders of the governor to come and evacuate the patient.
Thank you.
Taking her to
Francis Monovi. I am from Abuja. Miss Rhoda Tamuno.
Rhoda.
Yes, sir.
Tamuno.
Yes, sir.
T-A-M-U-N-U. Tamuno.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is she ill?
Yes, sir. She's ill.
No, tell me about her and why she could escape.
Okay, she fell on the water, as in she wanted to go and throw away a waste bin, so she fell. So she was dislocated, and we tried to call some emergency for them to take care of her, but unfortunately not so. She has been very ill within the house here.
How old is she?
She's 120 years old, of which she cannot walk very well for now. Tamuno. And she's 120 years old, and I think it was about April last year, she failed, and she is unable to walk for a long period of time now. So we have been trying to give her medication, of which she could not. So in fact, we needed even the assistance of the state, and right now we thank God that when the flood came, there was no way for us to take her out of this place, and thank God that the government itself have come to intervene in this issue.
Thank you. That was all.
Thank you.
Tom.
I can keep it there. This one is. Yeah.
Tom. Take this side. Shift it forward a bit. You know, there for this water. Make we carry you come out to the ambulance people from Bayelsa State Emergency Medical Services.
Okay, start them again.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. Governor Seraki this thing. Bayelsa say, make we come out you from this water. Make we carry you, go treat you well. Now make we come to carry you. And we know say you be old woman, they say you be 120 years old. So mama, you go come so that we'll put you for that thing. Carry you, go take better treatment.
She fell on the ground.
Mama, when they pay me so, when we go hospital, they will treat you there. Maya, so more people.
You need to hold your voice. Hold it for me. No, put her here, put her here. Put her for the bed. Yeah. Cover her face before you shift.
Water don't cover my house. Look at commodity. Come on. Don't come on.
Hey!
Yes. No prosecute. Come, bring him, come.
Take it gently.
Just wait. Are we good to go, please?
Hey, mother, come on, I better. They won't close that door.
Wait, where is the doctor?
Okay, wait. Okay.
My name is Cynthia Bofeni.
Okay, just tell us about this operation that just took place here.
We are from Bayelsa State Emergency Medical Services. We were sent by Governor Seraki Dixon to come and remove this old woman from inside the water. From our statistics, we were told she's 120 years old.